Through this video, I'm going to explain about one of common and frequently asked topic in the IELTS exam. I have provided the 9 band answer with this question, so you can get a clear idea about that answer structure for this topic. When describing this topic, I have included the Sinhala subtitle to get understand. I think that it is very useful for beginners who prepare this exam. So my topic is describe an art or craft activity you did. When preparing your answer structure, you should pay attention to the following points, such as when this happened, what you did in the activity, who you did it with, explain how you felt about this activity. Now let's look at our answer. With this answer, I end my video. We will meet soon with a new topic in my next video. If you think this video was useful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.